Are you getting the libhogweed-6 library DLL error after the GNU Project update? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's restore that orphaned library and fix your app. To kick off the libhogweed-6 library guide, I've provided an official resource for maintaining a healthy and synchronized workstation. This is the libhogweed-6 library, an updated iteration of the Nettle cryptographic library. It is mandatory for modern 64-bit security clients and Linux to Windows software ports. If missing, the software cannot verify its internal digital signatures, resulting in an immediate process termination or a module load failure. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. This issue involves a protected Windows DLL that requires official restoration. Start an elevated command prompt session and run sfc/scan now so that Windows can automatically validate and replace files like libhogweed-6 library. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including libhogweed-6 library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the diagnostic counter registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Keep your personal information safe by avoiding third-party mirrors for libhogweed-6 library DLL, which lack the encryption and security of verified official updates. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. To improve configuration awareness, the official maintenance resource linked below includes libhogweed-6 library-related documentation. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time you encounter libhogweed-6 library critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.